What if the next big technology revolution isn't in your pocket anymore? For years, every major tech company has been fighting to build the smartest smartphone. Better cameras, faster processors, more AI features. But now, something interesting is happening. The biggest companies in the world are starting to look beyond smartphones. They believe the next battle won't happen in your hand. It will happen right in front of your eyes. That's exactly why Xiaomi AI glasses are creating so much attention right now. Not because they're another gadget, not because they have AI. Almost everything has AI these days. The reason people are talking about them is much bigger than that. These glasses represent a future where artificial intelligence is always with you, always listening, always ready to help, and always visible without needing to touch your phone. That sounds exciting, but it also raises some uncomfortable questions. And that's where this story gets interesting. Xiaomi finally joins the AI glasses race. The smart glasses market has been full of failed experiments. Companies spent years trying to convince people that wearing computers on their faces was the future. Most products looked strange, cost too much money, or simply didn't provide enough value to justify wearing them every day. Consumers quickly lost interest. Xiaomi seems determined not to repeat those mistakes. Instead of creating a futuristic-looking device that attracts attention everywhere you go, Xiaomi appears focused on something much simpler, making AI glasses feel normal. At first glance, the Xiaomi AI glasses don't look dramatically different from regular eyewear. That decision may sound unimportant, but it could be one of the smartest choices Xiaomi has made. Because no matter how powerful a device becomes, people won't wear it if it makes them feel uncomfortable in public. The company clearly understands that wearable technology must blend into everyday life before it can become mainstream. What can Xiaomi AI glasses actually do? This is where things become much more interesting. The Xiaomi AI glasses are expected to offer far more than simple notifications. Reports suggest users could have access to real-time AI conversations, live translation, navigation assistance, voice commands, smart notifications, object recognition, and integrated camera functions. In theory, that means your glasses could become a personal assistant that stays with you all day. Need directions while walking through a city? The glasses could display navigation information directly in your field of view. Need to understand a foreign language? Real-time translation could appear almost instantly. Need information about an object you're looking at? The AI could potentially identify it and provide useful details within seconds. For many people, that sounds like science fiction becoming reality. But as exciting as those features sound, they also introduce an entirely new set of concerns. The feature that could change everything. Among all the rumored features, one stands above the rest: live translation. This might be the feature that finally gives AI glasses a real purpose beyond being a cool gadget. Imagine visiting another country and understanding conversations without constantly opening translation apps on your phone. Imagine attending international business meetings with real-time subtitles appearing in front of your eyes. Imagine students learning languages faster because translation support is available instantly. This is the type of feature that moves AI glasses from interesting technology to genuinely useful product. People don't buy technology because it's futuristic. They buy technology because it solves real problems. And live translation solves a very real problem. The display could make or break the experience. One of the biggest weaknesses of previous smart glasses was display quality. Text often looked blurry. Brightness wasn't strong enough outdoors. Notifications felt more annoying than helpful. Xiaomi reportedly plans to use advanced display technology that could dramatically improve clarity, contrast, and brightness. If those reports are accurate, users may finally be able to read notifications, directions, and information comfortably throughout the day. That might not sound revolutionary, but usability often determines whether a product succeeds or fails. The most advanced technology in the world becomes useless if people don't enjoy using it. The battery life problem nobody can ignore. Now let's talk about the challenge every smart glasses company faces: battery life. AI glasses need cameras, microphones, displays, wireless connections, sensors, and AI processing running simultaneously. That's a huge amount of hardware packed into a very small device. History has shown that battery life can destroy even the most impressive wearable products. Companies frequently promise all-day performance during launch presentations. Reality often tells a different story. If users need to constantly recharge their glasses, frustration will quickly replace excitement. Xiaomi appears aware of this challenge and is reportedly focusing heavily on efficiency rather than simply chasing maximum performance numbers. Whether they succeed remains one of the biggest unanswered questions. The privacy debate is just beginning. Now we arrive at the most controversial part, the camera. For some users, built-in cameras are incredibly useful. Content creators can record hands-free footage. Travelers can capture moments instantly. Users can benefit from AI-powered visual analysis in real time. But for others, the camera creates an entirely different reaction: concern. Imagine talking to someone while wondering whether their glasses are recording. Imagine attending meetings, classrooms, or public events surrounded by AI-powered cameras that are almost invisible. The technology itself isn't necessarily the problem. The uncertainty is. And that uncertainty may become one of the biggest barriers to mainstream adoption. Can people accept AI this close to their lives? This may be the most important question of all. Not whether the glasses work, not whether the AI is intelligent, not whether the hardware is powerful. The real question is whether people actually want to wear AI on their face every single day. Modern life is already full of screens, notifications, alerts, and digital distractions. Some people see AI glasses as a way to simplify access to information. Others see them as another layer of digital overload. Both arguments are valid. The answer will ultimately come from consumers, not technology companies. Xiaomi's biggest advantage over competitors. If Xiaomi has one major advantage, it's pricing. The company built its reputation by bringing advanced technology to mainstream consumers at more affordable prices. While competitors often focus on premium markets, Xiaomi typically targets value-conscious buyers who want strong features without paying luxury prices. That strategy could become extremely powerful in the AI glasses market. Many consumers are curious about wearable AI, but aren't willing to spend enormous amounts of money to try it. If Xiaomi can offer compelling features at a reasonable price, the company could attract millions of first-time smart glasses users. And that could completely change the market. So, are Xiaomi AI glasses worth it? The honest answer is that it depends on who you are. For content creators, travelers, technology enthusiasts, and early adopters, these glasses could be incredibly exciting. Features like translation, navigation, voice assistance, and hands-free interaction offer genuine benefits. However, people who prioritize privacy, simplicity, and minimizing digital distractions may not see the same value. The technology is promising, but it's still unproven. Right now, Xiaomi AI glasses feel more like the beginning of a new category rather than the finished product. Final thoughts. I don't think Xiaomi AI glasses will replace smartphones anytime soon. At least not yet. What I do think is that they represent something much bigger, a transition. For decades, technology has lived in our pockets. Now companies want technology to live on our faces. That shift changes everything. It changes how we communicate. It changes how we access information. It changes how we interact with artificial intelligence. Some people will love that future. Some people will reject it completely. But one thing is certain. The AI glasses era has officially begun. And Xiaomi might be one of the companies that determines whether it succeeds or fails.